Hi Room 9 friends! We are going to be creative in the kitchen today, and I am going to show you a fun, easy snack that's one of my favorites that you can do at home too. If you have some bananas, we're going to make ants on a log. So we're going to take a little bit of some peanut butter, spread it on the banana, and then take some chocolate chips or raisins, whatever you have in your house and mommy and daddy will let you have. And we're just gonna put these on and pretend that they're ants on a log. And then when you're done, you can count them. I'm gonna count mine right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ants on my log. So I hope if you have some bananas and peanut butter and chocolate chips or raisins in your house, you can make your own ants on a log as well. And Miss Ida is going to share one of her favorite snacks too, with some strawberries and blueberries and chocolate chips. Have fun. Love you.